Hello everyone! So if you want to find the recently deleted folder on your iPhone 12 Pro, you are to find your files right here. Press Browse, and here in your Browse section find Recently Deleted. So here you will find all of the files which were deleted within 30 days. Your iPhone keeps all the deleted files only for 30 days, as I said already. So if you will try to regain them after that time period, they will be lost forever. And same goes with photos. So open up your Photos application, find your Albums tab and scroll to the bottom. Here you'll see your recently deleted, and once again they're here for 30 days. If you want to delete them, simply select the items you want to delete, press delete from all devices, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.